Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the FYERS application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then simply type in FYERS and start the search. Once you find the FYERS application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. You can tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the FYERS application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when it is done and you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the FYERS application. And now you can continue with signing up and creating a new account or logging into your existing account on the FYERS app to use it right from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the FYERS application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.